Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Too much flour will make your cookies dry and crumbly. Too much sugar and butter can make sugar cookies spread and lose their shape when baked. This one requires a little patience because once you roll out your dough, you are ready to bake. Be patient and bake your cookies when the dough is really cold.
Take our lead.
Mistake. When cookies turn out flat, the bad guy is often butter that is too soft or even melted. How to fix it? If too soft butter was the culprit, try refrigerating cookie dough for 1 to 2 hours before baking. If too little flour was the issue, try adding an additional 1 to 2 tablespoons of flour to the dough.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Cookies spread because the fat in the cookie dough melts in the oven. If there isn't enough flour to hold that melted fat, the cookies will overspread. If your cookies are still spreading, add an extra 2 tablespoons of flour to the cookie dough. Don't overmix the cookie dough ingredients.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Chilling the dough for at least an hour before you roll it will make it less sticky and easier to manage. Once you've rolled it out, chill it again, about 5 minutes, before you cut the cookies out. Then chill the cookies once more time, about 5 minutes, after you've cut them out and before you bake them.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Generally, cookies are baked in a moderate oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 8 to 12 minutes, depending on the size of the cookie. For chewy cookies, allow them to cool on the baking sheet for 3 to 5 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.